Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube video where we explore the world of visual design services on Fiverr, the ultimate platform connecting businesses with skilled designers who can bring their creative vision to life. And for the people that this is the first time hear about Fiverr, it's an renowned online marketplace that connects businesses and individuals with talented freelancers offering a wide range of services. And to get started with this service on Fiverr website, simply head on over to Visual Design Fiverr and choose the first link, Graphic Design Services. Hire a graphic design today. So here, like you see with me, the homepage or the interface of the website where you can find all the key features that absolutely gonna need on Fiverr, the search bar, the notification inbox, and the lists, and also the orders and the accounts from here. I showed you before in my channel how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos to find how to create an account on Fiverr. So here you'll find the profile, or to post a request, refer a friend, or if you want to become a seller, and also the setting, that means the password, the username, the photo for the profile, and also the information for the billing and the payments. And if you want to change the language or the currency, or if you have any problem or issue, you can just go to the help center from here or to log out. So this is here the results about the graphic designs. We need the visual one, that means we need to go this one here. We have these choices in the visual design. We have image editing, presentation design, infographic design, vector tracking, and resume design. So in here, let's choose this one, and it will be the same in those here. I will just show you by the image editing, and you will choose whatever you need from this here. Let's click on image editing. And this is the results. I have 1,554 service available. It's very big number. We can minimize it by these filters over here. You can filter this number by the service option. You have here printable resolution file, include source file, commercial use. Like you see here, if you choose this one, it will just get 64,923 results, not 100 or 1 million. It's a lot. And also the mockups includes. After you choose the filter that you want, you need just to click on apply to activate the service. And for the seller details, you can filter it by the level. We have here the top rated seller. We have 70 results. The new seller, it's always the new seller has more cheap gig than the top rated seller, and these two levels here. The language that the seller speak, the localization for the seller, the budget, that means price from the minimum until the maximum, delivery time, these four options: express 24 hours, up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or anytime. And also if you want to see just the pro services, you can activate it from this button over here, or the subscription services, that if you was subscribe to a serve, you will save from 1 or 10% until 15 or 50%. And this is a good idea. And also for the online seller over here. Now let's suppose that you like this gig here and you want to keep it for later. You need just to click on this heart here to save it to the list, to find it later in your list over here. Now let me show you how to buy a gig. You need first to click on the gig that you want. After you read this following information here, the price, how many stars, how many person buy the gig, who is the seller, and which is his level. Okay, now let's click on the gig. And let's see all the designs. and you can also read the information about the gig and the information also about the seller, the country, the language that he talk, from when he is a member in Fiverr, and also some overviews from another person about the service or the seller or the website. Here, real professional, great Photoshop, and more overviews. Now, to buy the gig, first thing you need to do is to choose a plan. Okay, we have 3 plans in every gig on Fiverr. The first one is the basic, is the most cheap one. It will be in $15. 10 product photo editing, advanced product photo editing plus background removal, photo retouching, and other editing. 1-day delivery, unlimited revision, unlimited images, include source file, printable resolution file, commercial use, and mockup include. This is the standard, okay? The basic is with $5. I get wrong, excuse me. So in the basic with $5, you have 5 products photo editing, awesome products photo editing plus background removal, photo retouching, and other edition. You have 1-day delivery, unlimited revision with these 3 services. The premium one is the most expensive one. It will be in $35. We have 25 products photo editing, professional products photo editing, background removal, photo retouching, and other editing. You have 2 days delivery, unlimited revision. So with these services over here, unlimited images, include source file, printable resolution file, commercial use, mockup include. So after you read all of that, you need just to choose the plan that you want and click on continue. Choose the quantity. Of course, you will add money in which one you added. So here, before you give them your information of the payments and choose the payments method, you need to read all of that to see the total how will be and the total delivery time. And after that, you need to choose the payments method. Do you want to pay by credit and debit card or by PayPal? If you want to pay with this one, you need to enter your card number. It's contained in 16 numbers. You will find this front of the card, and also the expiration date, the month, the year here, the security code, and the first and the last name. These 2 should be legal. And click on confirm and pay. And if you choose the PayPal, you need just to click on it and complete the checkout, the PayPal, and you will buy the gig successfully. So this will be the last of our video. I hope you guys understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website.